call me. And so now this one is a spray sheet. The pesticide application sheets. The date of spraying. The problem. You supposed to scout. Let's first start with the scout, because that is, you come there when. This is our scout. This scout, we do it according to the quarters. According to the date you are supposed to do. This is November. What is the day today? 20 years November. This is April. Hey, Avoka, did you print the one for November? You first get this.
This one.
I printed the one they sent.
Okay, I think.
Okay. That one. This one is November. They have not put.
They didn't send.
This is June.